If you have been looking in the mirror lately and feeling frustrated by the persistent appearance of under-eye bags, you are certainly not alone. Many people find themselves searching for answers, wondering why these shadows or puffs seem to linger regardless of how much sleep they get or how much water they drink. It is one of the most common concerns that people bring up when they want to refresh their appearance. The truth is, under-eye concerns are complex, and the reason so many people feel like their efforts at home are failing is that they are often treating the wrong issue entirely. You might be applying expensive creams for puffiness when your real issue is volume loss. Or perhaps you are trying to massage away fat pads that simply will not move with a roller. Today, I am going to help you decode exactly what is happening under your eyes. We are going to look at the different types of under-eye concerns, from fluid retention to structural changes, and I will guide you through the most effective ways to manage them. Whether you are looking for simple, effective habits you can start tonight or you are curious about what professional options exist, I will explain it all in detail. We will discuss what works, what is a waste of time, and what you should avoid so you do not accidentally make the situation worse. If you are ready to understand your skin better and find a path forward that actually makes a difference, then keep watching. Let us dive into the science of your under-eye area so you can finally feel confident and refreshed. Body number 1. Puffiness due to fluid retention. Fluid retention is perhaps the most common reason for that dreaded morning puffiness. When you lie flat all night, gravity works against you, allowing fluid to pool in the delicate tissues under your eyes. This is why you might wake up looking quite swollen, only to notice that the puffiness subsides as you move around and gravity begins to drain that fluid throughout the day. If your bags fluctuate in size, this is almost certainly your culprit. To manage this, you must look at your lifestyle. High salt intake is a major trigger because sodium causes your body to hold on to water. If you consume a salty meal or a late-night snack, your body will store that extra fluid, and your under-eyes are often the first place to show it. Reducing salt in the evening is a simple yet powerful change. Furthermore, elevating your head with an extra pillow while you sleep can prevent that fluid from settling in the first place. Topical solutions can also be very effective here. Look for products containing caffeine. Caffeine acts as a vasoconstrictor, meaning it helps to temporarily shrink the blood vessels under the skin, which reduces the appearance of swelling. You can find excellent, affordable caffeine serums that are lightweight and easy to layer under your regular moisturizer. Another hero ingredient is acetyl tetrapeptide 5, which is specifically designed to help with fluid drainage and improve skin elasticity. Cold therapy is another fantastic, low-cost tool. Using a cold roller or even a chilled spoon can provide immediate relief by constricting vessels and soothing inflammation. When you use these tools, always use a gentle, upward motion towards your temples to encourage lymphatic drainage. Do not press hard. The goal is to gently guide the fluid away from the eye area. Finally, consider your internal health. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, your body is in a constant state of inflammation. This leads to chronic puffiness and congestion. Taking a consistent, daily antihistamine can be a game changer for many people, as it stops the inflammatory response that causes the eyes to swell. Consistency is key here. You must take it regularly to see the full benefit. Number 2. Fat pad herniation. When we talk about a true eye bag that does not change throughout the day, we are usually talking about fat pad herniation. As we age, the tissues that hold the fat around our eyes begin to weaken. Think of it like a wall that is starting to crumble. The fat behind it begins to bulge forward. This creates a permanent protrusion that is visible from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. It is important to understand that this is largely genetic. While it becomes more noticeable with age, many people in their 20s deal with this simply because of their natural facial structure. You can test for this by gently pressing on your closed eyelid. If you see the lower bag bulge forward when you apply light pressure to the globe, you are likely dealing with fat pad herniation. Because this is a structural issue involving fat, topical creams and rollers will not make a significant difference. You cannot shrink fat pads with caffeine or massage. For those who are bothered by this, the only effective solution is a surgical procedure known as a lower blepharoplasty. During this surgery, a specialist repositions or removes the excess fat to create a smooth transition between the eye and the cheek. Many people ask if they can use fillers to hide these bags. While it might seem logical to fill in the area around the bag, this often backfires. Adding filler to an area that already has bulging fat can make the protrusion look even more prominent and heavy. It is generally advised to avoid this approach if you have any skin laxity, as it rarely leads to a natural or aesthetically pleasing result. If you are not ready for surgery, focus on the surrounding skin. While you cannot remove the fat without a procedure, you can improve the texture of the skin around it. Using retinoids to boost collagen can make the skin firmer, which may help the area look more refined. However, be realistic. If the fat pad is your primary concern, surgery remains the gold standard for a permanent, visible correction. Number 3. Under-eye hollowing. Hollowing is the exact opposite of puffiness. Instead of a bulge, you have a deep groove or indentation. This creates a shadow that makes the area look dark and tired. Like fat pads, this is often genetic. Some people simply lack the bone structure or the fat volume in their cheeks to support the under-eye area, leading to a hollow appearance from a young age. Weight loss can also trigger or worsen this condition. When you lose body fat, you lose it in your face as well. As the fat pads under the eyes shrink or descend, the area becomes more sunken. This is why many people notice their under-eyes looking more hollow after a change in diet or exercise routines. It creates a tired look that is difficult to cover with makeup alone. To address this at home, focus on collagen production. Retinoids are your best friend here. By stimulating collagen, you can help the skin thicken slightly, which provides a bit more support. Consistency is vital. You should use a gentle retinol eye cream nightly. Over several months, this can lead to a subtle but noticeable improvement in skin density and texture. Volufilant is another ingredient that has gained attention for its potential to support fat cell growth. While clinical data is still evolving, it is a safe, affordable option to incorporate into your routine. You can apply a drop of a concentrated serum over your regular eye cream. It is not a miracle cure, but for those looking to add a bit of plumpness back to the area, it is a low-risk addition to your daily regimen. For more immediate results, in-office procedures like tear trough fillers are the most common solution. A professional can use a hyaluronic acid-based filler to support the tissue and fill the hollow. However, the secret to a natural look is global volume restoration. Often, a specialist will treat the cheeks and temples first. By supporting the foundation of the face, the under-eye area often improves significantly on its own, requiring much less filler in the delicate trough area. Number 4. Vascular and pigmented dark circles. Dark circles are a completely different category. They are often confused with bags, but they are primarily a color issue rather than a structural one. If you pinch the skin under your eye and the color remains the same, you are likely looking at vascular circles. This means the skin is thin, and you are seeing the blood vessels or muscle underneath, which creates a blue or purple hue. If the skin looks brown or tan, it is likely pigment deposition. This is often related to genetics, sun exposure, or chronic rubbing of the eyes. To distinguish between the two, perform the pinch test in good lighting. If the color moves with the skin, it is likely pigmentation. If the color stays the same and looks like a shadow, it is likely vascular. For vascular circles, the goal is to thicken the skin and constrict the vessels. Retinoids are excellent here because they thicken the skin over time, making the vessels less visible. Additionally, using products with vitamin C or caffeine can help brighten the area and constrict those tiny vessels. Always wear sunscreen, as UV damage thins the skin and makes vascular circles look much darker. For pigmented circles, you need brightening agents. Look for ingredients like niacinamide, kojic acid, or azelaic acid, which help to fade excess pigment. These ingredients are very effective when used consistently. It is also crucial to stop rubbing your eyes. Chronic friction causes the skin to thicken and darken as a protective response. If you have allergies, treat the itchiness so you stop the physical trauma to the skin. Finally, remember that lifestyle plays a huge role. Sleep, hydration, and stress management are not just buzzwords, they are the foundation of skin health. When you are dehydrated, your skin loses its natural plumpness, making the area under your eyes look thinner and more translucent, which highlights both vascular and pigmented circles. Drink plenty of water and prioritize rest to give your skin the best chance to repair itself. At the end of the day, the most important takeaway is that you are not broken, and you do not need to panic. Under-eye concerns are a normal part of human anatomy, and they change as we age. The key to feeling better about your reflection is to stop guessing and start observing. Take a moment to really look at your under-eyes in the mirror. Are they puffy in the morning? Do they stay the same all day? Are they dark, or are they hollow? Once you identify the pattern, you can stop wasting money on products that aren't designed for your specific issue. If it is fluid, focus on your diet, your sleep position, and caffeine-based serums. If it is structural, like fat pads or deep hollows, be patient with yourself and understand that topical creams have their limits. Do not be afraid to consult with a professional if you feel that your concerns are affecting your confidence. There is no shame in seeking guidance to find a plan that works for you. You deserve to feel comfortable in your own skin, and with the right approach, combining smart daily habits with effective treatments, you can absolutely achieve a refreshed and vibrant look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this deep dive into under-eye care. I truly hope that this information helps you navigate your skincare journey with more clarity and confidence. Remember, consistency is the most important ingredient in any routine. Whether you are starting a new eye cream, adjusting your sleep habits, or considering a professional consultation, give yourself time to see the results. Your skin is an organ that responds to how you treat it, so be kind to yourself throughout this process. If you found this information helpful, please share it with someone who might also be looking for these answers. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, as it helps us bring more educational content to you. If you have any questions or if there is a specific topic you want me to cover in the future, please leave a comment below. I love hearing about your experiences and what has worked for you. Stay consistent, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves and keep shining.